What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Whoop Stop, and I'm back with another video, guys. First off, man, I want to say if you're new to the channel, guys, just watching this videos, I appreciate if you drop down below, like, comment, and most definitely subscribe to this channel, man. We got two of the baddest trucks out here today. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see my son with the NBS Silverado, man. Project L Silverado, man. I'm gonna turn this here camera around and I'm gonna show y'all a couple of things that we've been doing to it. I'm gonna show y'all a couple of things that he got in mind. So yeah, let's get it. All right, y'all, first up on the list, man, y'all see them side pipes coming out of there, man. He done did the muffler delete, got the side exit with the dual tips. We're gonna start it up in a hot second. Let y'all hear exactly how it sound, guys. Man, it sound pretty good to me. But today, this what it is, man. Bam! Yeah, y'all see it, guys. Well, this wasn't cracked like that. Actually, I cracked it last night. So yeah, sorry about that. But today we're gonna be getting them right, man. He got the replacement door handles. That's what we're gonna be doing. So y'all sit back. We might cut the camera on, show y'all the process. We might just cut the camera back on and show y'all the finished process. But I'm gonna walk y'all around this here truck, man, and show y'all what he been doing to it, guys. Y'all already seen the tips. We on this here. Those will be coming off. And like I told y'all, man, it's just a lot of prosthetic things. You know, I made a video of the 5 mods that y'all can do, man, you know, and that's what we doing, guys. As y'all see, he got them nice LEDs in the front. Yes, sirski. I'm gonna walk y'all around to this here back. Show y'all these tail lights. Just as well as that third brake light up here. But man, y'all gotta stay tuned, guys. Y'all gotta stay tuned and decide what wheels that's gonna be going on this here thing. Man, y'all jump down into the comments, guys. You know, y'all leave them a comment. Y'all let them know what size cam y'all think will be best for the truck, guys. Y'all jump down into the comment, leave a comment. That's what will be next. You know, we gonna show y'all the full process, the before and after of it. So y'all leave him a comment, guys. Y'all let him know what he should do. BTR with Texas Speed. That's what we on right now. BTR with Texas Speed, guys. Y'all jump down below. But for right now, we about to take these here door handles, guys. We gonna cut y'all back on once everything on finished. Y'all stay tuned, man, for Project L Silverado. Yes, sir. Coming along real good, guys. What y'all think? Hold up. What y'all think, guys? Y'all jump down into the comments right now, man. For us to drop, what kind of drop y'all can picture seeing on it? What kind of wheels y'all think that he should go with? Come on, man. Y'all, everybody's opinions is valid, guys. That's what we doing, man. This is a bill right here. Yeah, so jump down into the comments, leave a comment, man. You know, come on with it. We'll turn y'all back on once we get these here door handles out the way. All right, y'all. So look, you want to just pull this here up. You know you're gonna take this here, just pull that out. Right here, this little trim piece that just pulls out. It's gonna be one screw right here, and it's another one. Well, it's a total of 3 screws, guys. It's one right here for sure. The other one, where the other screw was?
There's one here. There's one down here.
One at the bottom, right there. And the third one is right here. So the third one will be underneath this here handle, guys. And this here just lift up. You just lift it up. It's 1, 2. And again, that third one at the bottom. And from there, you just pull your door off. You just pull your door off like you normally do. Alright guys, so as y'all can see, you're gonna have a 10mm screw right here. And we're gonna have to access it from here. I'm gonna actually try to let y'all see. But that's a 10mm screw right there. And the one that just sat on top. If you put your hand right there, you'll pretty much feel it, guys. Again, this is what I had to use. Had to use the short one and the long one with the extended. But 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you finished, guys. We're gonna wrap up the other one and we're gonna show you guys how it look once it's all put together. Stay tuned. So we done swapped them out. Got the new handles in. As y'all can see, man, they don't have that little eyesore no more. They open it. And it closed real good, guys. I'm gonna show y'all. This was taken out. And we actually finished it, guys, before it started to rain. But next, he will be doing these mirror covers. So y'all stay tuned for that, guys. We're gonna see if we're gonna give us a little cold start, man. I don't know. Randy, you gonna give the folks a little, well, it's a warm start, guys, cause he just not too long ago pulled up before we actually started this project. But yeah, man, the project Silverado coming along good, guys. Next, y'all stay tuned. He will be doing a drop. Wheels on the way. Cam on the way. Y'all stay tuned. What y'all think, guys? Sound real good? It's cold, guys. But yeah. What y'all think, man? We still got the big bat over here as well. But you know, I ain't gonna do too much to my truck until we get Junior all the way right, guys. But there y'all go, man. You know, done blacked out the door handles. The mirrors next. He said he doing the drop, so we gonna get the drop. We're gonna order all the stuff for his drop, guys. And like I said, y'all make sure y'all jump down into the comments, leave them a comment, let them know what wheels y'all think will go hard on the Silverado, guy. Drop them a comment, let them know what y'all think. Y'all know Ford Work Customs will be doing all the custom work for us, body work, sunroof. But yeah, Sersky, guys. You want to tell them anything or nah?
Shoot, just stay tuned. That's all I'm gonna say.
What you say?
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Big cam coming. Wheels coming. Yeah. Y'all know. Y'all know we ain't playing. Y'all know whatever I told y'all for the back, it came. So, Project Silverado. Y'all jump in. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Style. Logging on, signing out, guys. Y'all know positive live spray, positive vibes. So until the next video, I don't know which one we gonna be doing, but until the next video, y'all stay tuned. We got plenty more to come.
beat.